Morning, everybody, and happy Friday, second to last Friday of third grade. So crazy to think about. Let's go ahead and look over your assignments for today. So, your science assignment yesterday, you should have looked at the animals and typed up a few of their traits that help them survive in their habitat. Today, you're going to play a game where you get to decide the traits that the animal has. Okay, so, and this is my fault, it should say day 5 instead of day 4. Okay, the Plutao is a fictitious animal that lives in a lush green forest. Its traits vary greatly from animal to animal. In this game, you will use your understanding of traits to help their Plutao in different scenarios. So it says, please read the scenario cards on each slide. Based on the scenario, you need to discuss which traits benefit the Plutao. You will select 4 inherited traits and 1 trait influenced by the environment. Please circle the selected traits on each slide. Okay, so right here, if you click the microphone, the little speaker, I will read off this scenario for you, and you need to look and figure out what 4 traits, inherited traits, do you want this animal to have, and then what trait influenced by the environment, 1 trait, to try to help it survive where it lives in this scenario. So then you'll just click, and you'll be able to just drag these circles for the traits that you want to choose. Okay, so there are, I think, 4 or 5 scenarios here. 4. So 4 scenarios to do for science today, choosing those traits based on the scenario and where that animal is going to live. All right, let's go ahead and click on writing. Writing assignment, you are still working through your memory books. If you are done with all of your slides, what I want you to do today is go through and kind of just double check, make sure you have them all filled out. Yesterday, when I was working with somebody, they were missing capital letters for their read aloud right here. Right? They didn't have their book title capitalized. So make sure that you have capital letters, okay? And if you have words that aren't spelled incorrectly, try doing kind of your own spell check. All right? But otherwise, it's your book. So if you want to go through and change some of the fonts that you typed up, if you want to change the size of some of the fonts, the colors of some of the fonts, that's your choice. Okay, it's your memory book, so you can make it however you would like. For reading, grammar, and vocabulary, it is quizzes day. So if you go to slide, day 5 slides, not loading very fast here for me. Here we go. Okay, so day 5 are going to be your quizzes. So you're going to take your last cold read, informational, and it's about money. Then you're going to take a verb tenses quiz and then a vocabulary check for the week. So that is your reading assignment plus 20 minutes of IDR. And then for math today, you are going to watch the video about multiplying groups of 10. Okay, so watch the video to learn about multiplying groups of 10. Click here and watch the video. Then try to solve these 3 equations, the best that you can and type up your answer. Right? Then watch right here, and it's a clue, kind of a trick that you can learn about multiples of 10. Then you're going to go ahead and do this slide. So do these 10 questions over here. And that is your math assignment for today. So watch the video, try these 3 equations, watch the video to check your answers, then go ahead and try to do these on your own, multiples of 10. If you did not do the math and grammar checks from Wednesday, go ahead and do those. And if you still have links on your missing works assignment that you need to do, go ahead and take some of those quizzes you might have missed the past few weeks. Okay? All right, other than that, I'm looking forward to playing bingo with some of you guys today. So the Google Meet will be at 10 today, and I haven't had anybody be joining in the afternoons a whole lot, so we're just going to do a morning one today. Okay, we'll play bingo. So if you want to get on at 10 and play bingo with us, follow the directions right here and have your bingo cards ready to go. Then the answer to yesterday's math picture was 15. So some of you did get 15 for your answer. Look at today's picture and try to answer in the comments below. Okay, it's a longer one today, so really look and see if you can figure that out. All right, let's have a great Friday, everybody.